Ziegler Cat asked to see what the future of service trucks has in store. Team Creo is pleased to present Service Truck 2030, a complete reimagining of the vehicle, making it faster to deploy, easier to use, and more comfortable than any service truck currently on the road. Early in the morning at the Ziegler warehouse, a forklift hoists modules into place atop the service truck trailer. Each module contains custom tooling, whatever the job of the day requires. The modules, all of which are interchangeable, contain reconfigurable shelves. They can be unlocked and accessed by a technician either from the outside or inside the trailer enclosure. Once all 6 modules are in place, a button press engages the chassis locks, securing the modules in place for transit. Once at the worksite, a simple push of a button causes the trailer chassis to telescope out, then drop down. The technician may then enter the enclosure via sliding doors on either side. Inside the enclosure, 6 modules worth of tooling plus storage is just an arm's reach away. A stowable desk ensures that there's ample workspace when needed. Completely shielded from the elements and temperature controlled, the enclosure is the perfect place to repair parts. When it's time to go, the technician can either push a button to retract the trailer or release the docking latch to completely detach the cabin, off and away.